Welcome back. In this very today video edition here, I'm gonna be taking you guys on a very quick tour, and thank God I caught this on a live camera. Have you actually noticed something weird? That's why sometimes I most oftentimes talked about the spiritual science part of most things that we do, but a lot of people often quick to dismiss it that there is no such thing as spiritual science. There are spiritual science. For instance, you are about to walk into a dead zone that won't guarantee your safety back alive, and your car suddenly shut down. What do you make of this? This is not a coincidence. Everything checked up later by a technician, and everything seemed fine. And you want to start up the same car again, and the car started up fine. There was no error code, nothing. How do you explain that? Let's go to the second part. In this case here, your car is giving you a serious concern from home, and you are all fed up that today you're gonna get this done with. However, just about to step, while you step into the mechanic garage, suddenly your car started acting nice. Your car became all well. These are some sort of bizarre phenomena that is inexplainable by science. When you check the system through the logs, there might be an error code, but my point is, how the hell was it just that very moment they brought the car to you? I've seen a lot of customers who have actually have this kind of problem. As soon as they brought the car to mechanic garage, boom, the car became all well, just as the mechanic's about to fix it. I've witnessed this a lot of times. So I'm gonna go ahead and play out this very video with you guys so that you hear from this guy who had the same experience. Obviously, that is me in my another channel. I'm working on two cars today. We have Nissan Altima and we have Toyota Camry 212 model that is having AC concerns. Guys, this is Dr. Photo Fix. Today we got a Toyota 2012 in the house. This guy really thinks this is car. However, he had a peculiar problem of car AC blowing warm air. So the first thing I want to do here is to top my manifold gauge set here so I can be able to check the pressures, and lo and behold, there is refrigerant, more than enough refrigerant within the system. So this car was fixed about getting to 2 years ago. He came back and said he wants the automatic compressor fitted back inside, and that's exactly what we did. So it has been working fine. Then I think he just reported recently that the AC is not working, so we got him to start the car. The compressor has kicked on. On the gauge, everything seemed to be fine. So what seems to be the problem? Some of these cars, I get scared of technicians when they come close to a technician. I really don't know how they do that. It was converted to Pujo. I get it back to automatic. I am really curious to know why the AC stopped working. It's actually a Chinese compressor, but those Chinese compressors cools up better sometimes, even much more than the OEM, which is your Denso. So however, what I'm going to be using to wrap this up this morning is, if you have any problem with your car AC, blowing warm air, any car make and model, you're in Abuja, contact me. I'm in Abuja here, and we'll see about solving it, giving it a long-lasting solution, be it any kind of problem, any make and model. So guys, I remain Dr. Photo Fix. I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye for now. Yeah, we really have a lot which I need to do this morning. Kia, Toyota, and more is still coming. Honda is still coming. So